going back to the left hand, if we start again in the front, going in counterclockwise above the arm, you'll notice I have this bend here, and then I'm coming around, out and front, around, out and front, around. Keep it slow, out and front, and make sure you're doing the full range of motion, right? You really want to go all the way from 12 to 6, 12 to 6, 12 to 6, all the way around, out and front, all the way around, out and front, all the way around, out and front. And try looking forward. Even though I'm looking to the side, I want to see you. And let's do 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one. Okay, so instead of it being flat completely, it's a little bit like this. You can try pumping more as you go out to the side to flatten it. So that can help. This is a subtle thing to look out for. It's insidious, I tell you. When you're looking at it, you're bending, but in reality, this poi is going to be thwacking around here, so you can't really bend. So you want to make sure you stay erect in a vertical position. Or wait, no, the better metaphor here is keep your seats in the upright and locked position the entire time. Oh no, that's the tray table, but yes, be the tray table, upright and locked. So same deal, only this one you are in clockwise. The other one we were anti-clockwise. And we're gonna come from the front to the back, and then you open to the back, then you're gonna go out to the side and pop to the front. So all the way to the back, side and front, 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 back, side and front. Remember I was saying how the sprinkler head maintains its frame the whole time? You might bend a little bit like this, but the elbow stays up. You're dipping your hand so that it's doing this. Out, front, and then dipping. Out, front, and then dipping. So keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Okay, now you're powering it more with your arm than your core. So line up the arm and the core movements together. So maybe from the side it'll help you see. I'm still doing that same front and back Pilates thing. And it's more coming from my core than my arms, even though it doesn't seem like it is, but that's how I can keep the arm locked. Let us start with your left poi going counterclockwise at your 12 o'clock in front of you, flat, and your right poi at your 6 o'clock. So your hip is open to the right. And if you were to look at your right poi, yes, if you were to look at your right poi, it's going clockwise. So they're going in opposite direction. If you looked in front of you, they'd be going opposite direction. Now, from here, so you're here like this, you want to take the right one back here and keep the left one going up front. Then you're going to do the big swing with the left, so just the end spin, while the right one goes out and front, and you'll switch positions. So you'll open to the left side. Your right's in front, your left's back here, then you're gonna go out toward the front with the left while the right one does the in-spin portion. So then the right does the anti-spin, then the left does the anti-spin, then the right, then the left, then the right, then the left. And eventually what's gonna happen is you'll get rid of these spaces in the middle where you're holding it in the front and the back. So that all you do is you just keep connecting them. But it might take you like step by step by step. Also, I am moving to split time when I'm putting it together, so it's not same time. But I think for right now, what's more important is just getting each of the pieces. Let's start again with the right in the front, going clockwise, and the left in the back, going anti-clockwise. So the left one does the anti-spin, while the right one does the in-spin. And now the right one does the anti-spin while the left one does the in-spin. And then the left one is going to do the anti-spin. And then the right one is going to do the anti-spin.